Namaste. Myself Dr. Manjunath Dundi, Assistant Professor, SBSS Krishna Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Sankeshwar, and Chief Consultant at Ojasvi Ayurveda Chikitsalaya, Belagavi. So today we'll be studying about a new drug, that is Hamsapadi. Latin name of this drug is Adiantum lunulatum from the family Pteridaceae. So when you see this drug, it is a evergreen fir growing in watery area sources and in moist places. It grows up to 1 to 1.5 feet height. The stem is smooth, reddish black colored. Leaflet is curvy and oval shape. Charaka, Acharya Charaka has mentioned this drug under Kantya Mahakashaya and in Madhuraskanda. Acharya Shushruta has mentioned this drug in Vidari Gandhadi Gana. Hamsapadi, that is Hamsa eva padaha mulanya asyaha, that is when you see the root of this plant, it is similar to the leg of the swan. Okay, in Shushruta Samhita, Dallana commented that Hamsa Padakara Patraha, that is leaflets look like leg of the swan. The synonym of this Hamsapadi is also Kita Mata, that is Kitanam Mata Ivaha. It has spores, that is spore bearing plant. Okay, that's why it's called as Kita Mata. It's also called as Tripadikaha, that is Trayapadaha Mulanyasyaha, that is the root is having three pada. Okay, three branches arise from the rhizome. That's why it's called as Tripadika. When you see the Rasapanchaka of this Hamsapadi, Rasa is Kashaya Rasatmaka, Guru Gunatmaka, Madhura Vipaka, Shita Viryatmaka, and Kafapitta Hara. It acts as Rakta Prasadana, Ropani, and Rasayan. Bhavaprakasha says as Hamsapadi Kitamata Tripadikaha Hamsapadihi Guruhu Shita Hanti Raktapitta Vranan Visarpa Daha Atisara Luta Bhuta Agni Rohini. So he has explained, Bhavaprakasha explained Hamsapadi in Kuduchadi Varga, where he says that it is used in Visarpa, that is in Visarpa, in any scorpion bites, that is Lutha, that is insect bites. Okay, so in scorpion and spider bites, the lepa of this Hamsapadi is done, and even the fresh juice is given internally to nullify the poison. This Hamsapadi paste is also applied over herpes and in fresh wounds. Churna of Hamsapadi is given with buttermilk in Atisara. Okay. So useful part of this Hamsapadi is whole plant. Main formulation of this Hamsapadi is Manasamitra Vataka Kalakuta Rasaha, where here as Bhavaprakasha has already said that it is used in Bhuta, that is in psychiatric disorders also you can use this Hamsapadi. So this was a very brief introduction about Hamsapadi related to Ayurvedic students. So thank you one and all.